Well, we're 250 miles from home and we got a crack in the radiator. Don't know if you can see it or not. Probably not because there's a light in the way. But we're going to do an old trick by putting bubble gum in it. Cracked right there. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. There's nobody open. So I'm going to get some chewing gum chewed up and we're going to stick it in it, so I'll bring you right back. Dubble Bubble to the rescue.
Well, they say that it chinks the holes in dams, so.
Well, maybe a chink is down hole.
Baby, you are so precious. I'll tell you what.
So how long do you gotta let it stay there to see if it works? You know, let it dry?
About 5 minutes. Okay.
Alright, we'll wait 5 minutes.
Good as JB will.
Alright, we had to stick another piece of gum in there, so we're gonna see what that'll do for a minute. Alright, well, the gum is still there and we made it, what, about 20 miles?
Yeah.
To an Advance Auto Parts. So we're going to see, we've been waiting on them to get open, and we're going to see if they have a radiator in stock so we can get this thing back in the road and we can get back on the road.
It's 8:30 and they just opened up.
Yep, we made it. So y'all keep that in mind. Bubblegum may work on some of your MacGyver issues. Alright, let's get in here and see if they got a radiator. Alright, we've almost got it put back together. Topping it off with water now so we can hit the road. And there's what got us to the parts store. Good thing we had some bubble gum in the truck. We made it about 20 miles to the parts store to pick up a new radiator.
We went from freezing this morning to where I had to take my sweatshirt off. Everything got a little warm now. But yeah. But what makes it so bad is there's a brand new radiator sitting in the shop up there at the house. But this one was leaking on that side there. But it blowed out on this side. So make do with what you got. That way you ain't standing on the side of the road. Get creative. We're going to get this thing topped off with water and antifreeze, and we're going to hit the road and continue our journey. Hopefully nothing else can go wrong. But we just figured we'd let y'all in on a little piece of action of what we deal with on a daily basis. So if you stayed this far in the video, we appreciate you watching. And we're going to get this buttoned up and we'll find some sleep somewhere, because I've been up for over 40 hours straight with no sleep. I'm tired. And then this happened. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the notification button, and we'll bring y'all back on our next adventure when something else tears up or something exciting happens. So, catch y'all next one.